Today's easy lunch, we have a skillet with sliced roasted lamb and a little bit of lamb lard, 1 duck egg, some chamomile flowers, and 4 fresh beet leaves, 2 tortillas toasted with cheddar cheese, of which is just now done. Let's see if we can get this just right. There we go. So while the meat is heating up, I'm going to slice my beets into it. Turn up the heat to medium. Crack our egg. It's very soft. Beautiful. Add the chamomile. And some prunes. I want 2 dried prunes. I like the way they taste. Now that's the easy part. Okay. Break the egg yolk. Stir it up. Oh yeah. Let that cook. It'll probably cook for another 2 or 3 minutes, and then I'll stir it. Cook it on the other side. It's gonna be delicious. While that's happening, pulling the cheese-covered tortillas out, putting a nice plate here. Starting to sizzle. Nice sound to it. enjoy slightly wilted beet greens. And while the chamomile is in season, I add it to as many meals as possible for the healing that the chamomile provides. Oh yeah, look at that. That's some good duck egg. Ducky duck. So as of a few weeks ago, discovered that although I've been allergic to chicken eggs since I was 5, I'm not allergic to duck or guinea eggs. So this is an exciting adventure for me to have something that has been pretty rare, non-existent in my life. And now he's there. Almost done. It smells so good. A bit sizzling, kind of sticking. And it's important to have enough lard or butter or olive oil so that you can absorb the nutrients in your intestinal lining. That's a goal of mine, to add some kind of fat to the meal, especially when I have a nice deep green like the beets. I want to absorb all the nutrients. Just about perfect, I'd say. Another couple seconds. Perfect for a little taco. Breakfast taco. My husband has a hard time with corn, so we do flour street tacos because they don't have dextrose or corn products in them. At least, not that it doesn't give him a hard time. So, that's what matters. Alright. I like the look of it. It appears done. And the beet greens are slightly wilted. Yeah. Okay. Nice moisture evaporating. Let's see if I can get it on there. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. I want every little bit. Thank you, friends and family that helped teach me how to grow plants and that shared the egg, and my sweet husband who roasted the lamb.